Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at NSF, faucets and plumbing, and products intended for contact with drinking water should be tested and certified to NSF and SI standard drinking water and components. And these American national limits the amount of impurities and individual products that can come into a home's water supply. Why is this important? Because this can protect you from a lot of things like heavy metals, such as lead and other metals, volatile organic chemicals, phthalates, and bisphenol BPA. Also, products covered by the standards include faucets, pipes, drinking water fountains, meters, and water storage tanks. So how do you select a faucet? How do you know if it's good? And there's a lot of concerns around this because of the leaching of lead and other impurities into drinking water. All kitchen and bathroom faucets sold in the U.S. are required to meet the lead leaching requirement of the American National Standard, NSF, ANSI, and CAN 61. And certification to this standard is noted on the product packaging and may also be on the product. If you don't see the NSF mark or reference to NSF, ANSI, CAN certification on the product or packaging, the faucet may not be intended for drinking water use. Also, it's a good idea to avoid drinking water from outdoor spigots, laundry tub faucets, bathtub spigots, and utility sinks because the products are not intended for dispensing drinking water and they are not required to meet the same material safety standards as kitchen and bathroom faucets. So, what can you do? You can select other plumbing products and take a look at those, such as copper, CPVC, PVC, and PEX, and these are just a few material options available for different uses. Copper is one. It's one of the most widely used home plumbing materials, but not all copper tuber is intended for drinking water, so you want to look for the certification, NSF, ANSI, and if your end uses drinking water contact, then professional installation or some plumbing knowledge is usually required. And as the use of soldering components or compression fittings is necessary to join various sections of the pipe in situations where the pH of water is below 6.5, copper tubing is generally not recommended, as there is a potential for copper to leach from the pipe into drinking water, and homeowners with acidic water should install an acid neutralizer to help raise pH before installing copper tubing, or consider using pipes made of materials such as metal, PVC, CPV, or PEX. Also, you can take a look at plastic plumbing, which has been used for potable and non-potable water applications. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, is used in the production of a wide array of pipes and fittings, and includes those for transporting both drinking water and wastewater. And chlorinated polyvinyl chloride is most commonly used for drinking water applications. Also, cross-linked polyethylene, PEX, has become a popular option for new construction as well as remodeling products due to its flexibility. And unlike rigid pipes, PEX does not require 90-degree fittings to make turns. Many PEX products are also tested to withstand high temperatures and can be used for both hot and cold water supplies as well as for radiant floor heating applications. And there's other plumbing products you can use, but these are ways to go ahead and select a faucet that's not going to leach heavy metals. That being said, even if you find a good faucet and it's not leaching any problems, it's always a good idea to have your water periodically checked for impurities, as other problems can arise and heavy metals can get in the water in other ways.